For a water leak at the back of the engine. Gotta do all this to replace that hose. So all of this has to come off. This, order the gaskets, all on the way. So now it's 4 weeks waiting time for parts. Everything's gonna be new. What a job taking the manifold off. Wow. I thought the leak was in the back, but there's nothing. Absolutely nothing. Hoses. That's the charcoal filter. There's nothing. No openings, nothing. That hose, might as well replace that one too. While I'm at it. Damn, it's the worst one. This one. Bummer. What a job. Another reason to wreck a car. I'm not.